Hi there, this is Dr. Sami Garas. In this video, I'm gonna go through the course syllabus with you to explain the different sections and what are the expectations from you during the semester. So with this in mind, let us go through the syllabus quickly. First of all, here is my contact details. I'm available for virtual office hours during Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 10 a.m. to noon time. However, if you need the different appointment, please let me know and we can definitely meet at your convenient time. What you need to know in the accounting information system is the key accounting system that you covered in cost accounting and intermediate accounting 1. So if you still remember the information from those two classes, that would be helpful. However, I'm not going to ask you to reflect on those accounts. It's just to understand the sections of the balance sheet, the income statement, the cash flow, and how you do simple calculation in cost accounting. In this course, we will go through 3 main issues. The first one is how to develop a database, relational database. And this will take about 4 chapters with us. And then how to protect the database from fraud and hacking. And this will take 2 chapters. And then how to analyze the database from the different cycles like revenue cycle, expenditure cycle, production cycle, human resource, and financing. And this is in brief the 3 key sections in this course. So first, you will be able to assess and appraise the technology in accounting information system. And then you will be able to compare the various types of information system and then apply the information system into different cycles, and finally evaluate the problem in accounting information system. The textbook I'm going to use in this course is Accounting Information System, the 15th edition, and you don't have to buy it from the bookstore. You can buy it from anywhere online as long as you get the access code to Revel. What is Revel? It's Pearson platform, which I use it for quizzes and exams. So I don't care from where you get the book as long as you get the access code for Revel. The websites that we will use in this course, first is Brightspace, and here is the link. When you go to Brightspace and you open up the course, you will get 4 different sections. First, start here, then my bio, then the course information, and then course content. Those are the 4 different sections that you would use it. I'm going to go through those 4 sections in brief details in another video, but this is the first website that you need to be aware of. The second website is Revel, and once you click on the link, I put it on the course syllabus here, it will take you to Pearson website, and here you need to create your own account if you don't have one. So you create the account here, and then you register for my class. As far as I remember, Pearson will give you 3 weeks free access to Revel, so you can start immediately working on the course material. But within 3 weeks, you have to buy the access code for Revel. So this is the second website. I'm going to use it for the course. We will cover about 12 chapters in this course. The first chapter starts from August 22nd until September 2nd. In this chapter, I will show you the material on Brightspace, but what is expected from you is to do the assignment for this chapter on Brightspace and the quiz on Revel, also on Pearson. Both of them will be due on Friday, September 2nd at 2 p.m. Why I put the due date here almost every week on Friday, 2 p.m.? So I can take the weekend to grade the material and then put your score on gradebook on Brightspace. So please remember that the due date for the weekly material is on Friday at 2 p.m. And then we go on Saturday, September 3rd until Friday, September 9th for the second chapter. We will continue working like this, and then we will have the midterm after we cover 6 chapters. Then we continue for another 6 chapters, and then we get the final exam. So the key sections in this course, first, the assignments, which will take 25%. And here I explained what you are going to have on the assignment. It could be multiple choice questions, matching questions, a drop-down menu, fill in the blank, so on. And it will be on Brightspace. You will have 2 attempts, and the higher score you get on the 2 attempts will be counted towards your final grade. All in all, you will have 12 assignments, which will take 25% from the final grade. At the end of the semester, I will drop off the lowest 2 assignments. So what will be counted in your final grade is 10 assignments. And why I drop off the 2 lowest assignments? Because I know some of the time you might not be available, or you might get a low score, or you miss the deadline. So because of this, I don't extend the deadline, but I drop off the lowest 2 assignments. The quizzes, it's on Revel, and also we will get 12 quizzes, and I will drop off the lowest 2 quizzes, and I explained it here. For the class participation forum, I don't give any score for it, but the forum is meant to be for any question or thoughts that you might have on the material. You can upload your thoughts, your concern, your questions on the forum. I usually check them and answer your question for your benefit and for the other students in the class. So you need to know that the participation forum is optional. Then we have the individual project. In this project, I'm going to use Tableau. And here I will give you data set where you need to download Tableau platform, and you work on the data set to complete the project. How do you get access to Tableau? Here you have 2 options. The first one is to go to tableau.com. And once you open the website, you will see here, try on or try now, where you can download a free version of Tableau, which will remain for 14 days. But this 14 days is renewable. So if you couldn't finish the project within 14 days, you can download it again. You just need to complete out this form on Tableau, and then you will get access to Tableau version. The free version is good enough to make the project. But if you need more resources on Tableau, you can go here for Learn Tableau under Resources. You can watch different videos. You can apply for certification as on Tableau, and you can get some kind of academic program. The good thing that Tableau, it's a well-known solution that we use it for data visualization. What I'm going to do in this project is you give you a data set, and I give you some questions, excuse me, where you use Tableau to answer this question and then visualize the data, whether using map or using table or dashboard, and build up a story on Tableau. But some of the students, they might not have a space on their desktop. Those students, they can use our remote lab on SUNY Plattsburgh. So if you click here, remote lab 24/7 virtual computer lab on SUNY Plattsburgh, you should be able to get access to this website. And we have our campus lab, which is available for online students. So you don't have to come to campus to work on the lab. You can work remotely. And Tableau exists on the first lab here, Osable 110 lab, and you can see Tableau. How do you get access to the lab remotely? If you scroll down, you see the link here. You need to type on your credential, your username, your password, and then it will open up Tableau, all the labs that can be accessible for online students. We have OSABLE 110, OSABLE 19. If you click on OSABLE 19, you can see here Tableau. It's not available for now, the lab itself, but I will show you how it looks like. So I assume Tableau, it's on 110. If you click here, it will connect you automatically to our lab. And when it opens up the screen, you will see Tableau here. So this is the virtual lab that you can get access to it through Lab 109. Okay, for this one here. But remember, if you use Tableau on our computer lab, make sure to keep the data set on Google Drive, and then you open Google Drive from the computer lab, work on Tableau, and then save the file on the Google Drive, and then take it to your desktop before you submit it to me. Why I say that? Because our computer lab has security precautions where students have to take their file out of the lab station once they finish their work for security reasons. So if you save your work on our computer lab, it will be deleted automatically once you finish your session. So please make sure to take off your information, save it on the Google Drive while you are on the lab screen. And then from that, you can take it to your desktop. So for the lab, for the project, you will have 10%. And I put here the dates for the project. So on October 1st, I'm going to give you the guideline on how to download Tableau, how to start working on the tutorial. So I'm going to give you a tutorial to start working on it. And then I will leave you to work on this tutorial for like 3 weeks, from October 1st to October 21st. And then I will give you the project so you can start working on the project. And then you need to submit the project on November 7 at 11 p.m. So here I'm giving you enough time to work on the project. In reality, if you know how to work on Tableau, it should take you like 2 to 3 hours to complete all of the project and submit it by yourself. But I give you almost 3 weeks to work on it to make sure that you have enough time to get to know Tableau and work on the project in addition to your other study for other classes. So I'm trying to be considerate with your study load for other classes. So I give you 3 weeks time. But I don't extend the deadline for submission. So I'm telling you from now, please keep those dates on your calendar, and I will announce it on Brightspace during the semester. For the exams, we will have 2 exams. The first exam, which will cover 6 chapters. The second one, the other 6 chapters. The exams questions will be taken from the assignments and the quizzes. So each exam will have 2 parts. Part 1 on Brightspace, and it will cover the question you did it on the assignments. Part 2 on Revel, and this will cover up the quizzes. So here, make sure when you do the weekly assignments and quizzes, take note of that, because the questions will be repeated in the exam, whether the midterm or the final. How to get high score in this course? Accounting Information System, I consider it's an easy and interesting course. And because of that, please make sure to do your work along the way. Don't postpone it. Make sure to submit your work on time, take notes, ask questions, engage with your classmates, and try to be on top of the material on a weekly basis. And this will be the key point that will help you to get a good score. If you need any help, please let me know. Send me emails, text me, call my office. And I come to campus almost 7 days a week. So I'm almost available every day in my office. The best way to reach out to me, by the way, it's email. So once I see your email, it will help me to guide you clearly. Phone calls and text message are also welcome, but I'm telling you the best way to reach out to me. In this course, we will touch base on technology. So I'm going to use Tableau. I'm going to use Excel. I'm going to use also flowchart, and I will show you how to develop flowchart. I'm going to use Microsoft Access to work on relational database. So in this course, we will use different tools in technology. And also we will talk about how to resolve problems with data. And those will be the key points that we'll address in this course. Here, it's good to take a look on the code of professional behavior in the classroom, but some of the points are not relevant to the online classes, so I put it here highlighted. When you read our professional code, please take note of the ones that are related to online classes. For example, it says here, be punctual for class. It meant to be for a student on campus to come on time. It's not for online students. Finally, I put my bio here that will give you an idea about who I am, what is my research agenda. I am very active in research. I got my PhD almost 12 years ago now. I have my CPA from Connecticut. I have my CIA, CME, CMA, CFE, and CFF, and so on. I try to get all these certification to give me a good background in accounting. I have great passion for accounting. I work on governmental accounting, on auditing, on forensic accounting, and on IT audit. This is my areas of specialty. And I love teaching. I've been teaching for more than 30 years now. I published 23 articles, 3 chapters. Some of my articles have gone up to A-star journal in accounting field. One of them is published last March. And I hope that I will be able during this short time to share with you my experience in teaching, in research, and in other areas that you might need for your future career and study. So if you are planning to go for professional certification, I would be more than happy to share with you my experience, my material, and so on. I hope you find this short video useful. And if you need any clarification about any point in the course syllabus, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.